2025 Lexus IS 500 just came off the showroom floor. This is what it sounds like before. I think he's trying to figure out. Yeah, it doesn't change much, even in sport. There's no valves, nothing on it. Yeah, there's no valves, nothing. That's crazy. Yeah. Again. Here's sound decibels. One more. Yeah, he wants it louder. I don't blame him. It's too quiet. Stay tuned, guys. 2025 Lexus IS 500 V8. 2025 Lexus IS 500 F Sport naturally aspirated V8. Beautiful Lexus. Look at this. I love it. Only got 1,500 miles on it. He's like, I can't take it. It's too quiet. And he's a soldier, guys, so we really appreciate his service. We hooked him up as much as we can. But here's the cats on it, right there, right there. Then we took off the secondary cats and replaced them with high flow cats, right there. Then put an X pipe too. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's under here. There's an X pipe under there. Then we also took out the rest of the system, which was like 1.5. Disgusting. Disgusting! We replaced it with high flowing 2.5-inch pipe. But here's the Magnapacks. They're on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Here's the part number on them. Also, we have merch there, guys. So hit us up and get some merch. You see it on his shoulder? That's the merch. Oh, he's flashing it. I love it. 2.5-inch all the way back. And then we finished it off with quad tips. Little angle to it because that's how the IS 500s come. Look at that. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer system. That's everything we took off. There's the resonators, the gaskets, the regular cats, and all the mufflers. And as you guys can see, it's like 1 3/4 pipe, which is like, why? It's disgusting. Disgusting! It needs to be at least 2.5, like we did with it right there. It's so much cleaner and nicer. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. 2023 Lexus. So we did something a little different on it. He brought his own parts in. I'm going to show you guys what it is. You guys going to laugh? You might give us some hate. You might not. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, cat. Then somebody else did this. They cut them both off. Kept the X pipe there. It's an Alibaba like Valvetronics knockoff that he saw online. And he's like, you know what? I'm going to try it. So he's been hearing a lot of things about Alibaba. So he went and ordered this kit, Axleback kit. So as you guys can see, it's a cool kit. And I was surprised, man. We didn't have a lot of trouble. It's a valve system with custom tips. Look at the tips on it. No name, of course, because it's Alibaba. But there's the valve there on each side. So when it opens, it becomes straight pipe. When it's closed, it goes through the muffler. And that's where it connects into the muffler before. And then when you open the valve, 99% of it starts going out this tailpipe only instead of through the muffler, okay? So there it is on each side. He paid $300 for the exhaust system, $200 for shipping. So it was under $500 for the whole system. And it fit pretty nice. The only thing, make sure you guys get batteries for the clicker because it does not come with batteries. So just a heads up on that. But there it is right there. Looks really clean and nice. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And that was the straight pipe system that was on it before that we took off. Guys, Lexus IS 500. Here we go. Oh, so much better. Yeah, it's a lot better. It was nothing. You couldn't even hear it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 103. Put it in sport. Let's see if it changes. So this is sport mode now. Go ahead. Yeah, change the flow, man. Again. All right, go ahead and back it up. We are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline and Due West Avenue. Oh, it sounds so clean. 2025 IS 500. you guys here on the inside. All right, guys, 2023 Lexus IS. Sorry, guys, for the confusion. IS 500 V8. So he's got the high flow or catless downpipes. He said he gutted them. And then it's fully straight piped in the middle. And then it's got the Alibaba, good Lord, Alibaba special axle back valved exhaust. So here we go. Go ahead. So that's with the valves closed. You can hear it, it's quiet. Very impressive. Go ahead. It's not a bad sound. Not bad for 300 bucks. Now, I gotta tell you guys, it does take, what, 45 days to get here?
Yeah, around
3 to 4 weeks. So, about a month out. It does take time because it gets shipped out of China. Give it gas again. All right, go ahead and open the valves. Let's see how much it changes. Whoa, you can hear it right away. Just wait till you hear it with the valves open. Go ahead. That never gets old. Bro, you approve? You did a good buy, man. Holy crap. Here's sound decibels with the valves open. Go ahead. 115. Close the valve. Close them. Go ahead. That's so doable, bro. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 101. Open them. Just to show you guys. Go ahead. Leave them open, bro. All right. Definitely. You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. That's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Our address is 3560 Dickerson Pike. So that's valves open. Close them. He was trying to show up. We've done that one too. Another satisfied customer. Go ahead. That's valves closed, right? Well, that's valves closed now. It's perfect. You fuck with me. Oh man, I can't make it any louder. And then you click it and just take off. Let you guys hear on the inside.
This is the valves closed. These are the valves open now.
Guys, 2025 Lexus IS 500 with Magnaflow Magnapack, catback system, high flow cats, X-pipe, and quad tips. Here we go. Damn, that sucker flies. Woo! Be smooth. Enjoy, guys. Bro, I love the window tint on it on the front too. Look at that. So IS 500 with gutted cats, fully straight piped other than the Alibaba axle back valved exhaust. So this is round one with the valves closed. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do round two with the valves open, okay? It's got power. And you guys can see it's very quiet in the valves closed stage, which is exactly what you want. That was perfect. He's gonna do a drive-by next, and then we'll do valves open next, okay? Stay tuned. Here we go. This is valves closed. So that's valves closed. He's gonna come back now. We're gonna do valves open. All right, here we go. Here's valves open, guys, now. Lexus IS500. Wow. You can still hear that beast. Wow. Yeah. I love that. He's gonna do a drive-by next. Stay tuned. Here he comes, valves open. You can hear all the way from here.